Hello everyone and welcome back to Zero IT. In today's episode, we will learn how to configure floating static route. So right now, if I try to pin PC1, PC3 from PC1, for example, you will see that the traffic is gonna use these routes, as you can see. Great. So now I want to use R3 as a backup route. So just in case that I lost connection, right? I lose connection with R2, right? I want to see the traffic using R3. So let's go to R1 and the command would be IP route, right? Next, the prefix that we are going to reach, in this case, would be the 12, right? And I can specify the interface, right? This case would be 010. So I'm gonna use this interface to reach this connection. And here is the difference. I'm gonna increase the administrative distance. So I'm gonna use 10. So it's gonna be higher than the number one that I have right now, right? So if I do it to show IP route, you will not be able to see it here. As you can see, the only one that we have here is the one that I have configured in 0011, that is with R2. Now, if I go to the running config, I will be able to see it here. So now let's try. Let's turn off. Now you will see that as soon as this interface is not working anymore, right? I will be able to see it here, as you can see. So now if I try to pin, you will see that I will not get, of course, any reply. And why? Of course, because in this situation I only configured the static route in R1 but not in R2. So R2 lost the connection with R1. So how will R2 reach R1 LAN? So let's go there and let's do the same, right? IP route, in this case it would be 5, right? And in here I'm gonna use my next hop, that would be, right, this one, 9. And also I'm gonna increase the administrative distance. So now if we try again, you will see that we are getting connection. So here okay, so here in this case, when we you will be able to see when, of course, in this way you'll be able to see the administrative distance in this right here. So this is how you see the information, right, when you specify an interface, right, in order to reach a network. But if you use the next hop, you will see it in this way, so you will be able to see the administrative distance. Okay guys, so this is the way that you can configure floating static route, so in case that you need a backup and the kind of process. So if you have any doubt, any question, please comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, right? And see you in the next episode.